Joyce and I want to congratulate the team that put together now is going to complete the library and stick the shovel in the ground and get it going. We particularly want to thank Audrey White, who stuck with us right from the beginning 10 years ago. And I know there are many other people that helped her. And I know Corinne has been exceptionally instrumental in making this happen. We just think the whole thing will be a great addition to Peterborough.
A toast to the new library. So exciting.
And the people that made it happen.
Good morning. I'm Corinne Chronopoulos, and I'm the director of the Peterborough Town Library. I want to thank all of you that are watching, that have tuned in, that have sent photos and congratulations to celebrate with us today, and for those few of you that are able to be outside with us today watching from afar. This is a historic, wonderful moment, and thank you for being here to celebrate with us. Yay! I want to start by thanking all the generous donors, residents, and supporters who have given their time and their treasure to make the dream of a library for the future in Peterborough possible. I thank the library trustees for their leadership and stewardship of the Peterborough Town Library. They began this process in 2004. They researched and analyzed many different options for how the library building issues should be addressed. And they ultimately chose to endorse the best plan, one that called for both restoration and renovation. And they invested over $800,000 in trust funds that were left to the library for this very purpose. Thank you to the 1833 Society, who have led the fundraising efforts and spent countless hours inviting folks to participate and support the library. And to the volunteers of that organization who have given so generously themselves. I thank Harvey Construction, who gave me this hat, and who are coordinating and managing this project. And we thank Ann Beha Architects, who gave us a beautiful design. The town government and the people of this region have been partners in supporting this library from its very inception. In fact, this library was a groundbreaking enterprise from its birth. The library was founded in 1833 at a time when books and membership-based libraries were available only to those who could afford it. But our founder, Reverend Abbott, a pastor at the local Unitarian Church, had a radical idea. He proposed that Peterborough citizens use tax dollars to buy books and create a library that was available to all people, regardless of their income or their status. Just as all have a right to public education, all have a right to a public library. Peterborough acted upon their deeply held belief that knowledge belongs to everyone, that access to information was crucial for a healthy democracy to thrive. Today, with an average of more than 200 people visiting our town library daily, with hundreds participating in library programs, including our early literacy programs, growing numbers relying on us for internet access, and an increasing number of community groups competing for our meeting room, it was clear that a new building was needed. The current building was cramped, had lead and asbestos issues, was not ADA accessible, was wildly inefficient, and had no ventilation to speak of, no fire prevention, and needed electrical upgrades. It was time for a major renovation. And so in 2011, the 1833 Society was created to spearhead the fundraising needed for a new library, and they continue to work in partnership with the library trustees and the Friends of the Library, and this group together have raised over $5 million for this project. It's an amazing accomplishment. And so today, thanks to all of you, we are breaking ground. The new library will preserve the nationally significant historic wing, of course, but it will also be a building that's accessible to everyone, with a new elevator, appropriate ramps. It will have a whole wing dedicated to children, multiple community rooms, and finally, it will be among the most energy-efficient public libraries in the country, relying on solar energy, a biomass heating system, and an innovative adsorption chiller, which uses 90% less electricity than conventional air conditioning systems and emits no greenhouse gases. The town has been a crucial partner in this project. Rodney Bartlett, our town administrator, is here with me today, and we are going to symbolically put shovels in the ground. But first, I'll hand it off to Rodney to say a few words.
I just don't know how I can add to that, Corinne. It was excellent. Tremendous amount of work by Corinne, the trustees, 1833 Society, and others. It's been a long time, hard work. They're starting on the demo today, and by August of next summer, August 21, it should be ready for the public. So, shall we start the digging? The shovels are 6 feet, right?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Okay, everyone, thank you for breaking ground with us, and together at home, and those of you in the parking lot, celebrate and to we break ground.
All right, congratulations! Congratulations to the 1833 Society on the next era of the Peterborough Public Library. Woohoo!
Congratulations, I can't wait for the new library.
Congratulations, 1833 Society, on this groundbreaking. Well done.
To all of you who embraced this legacy project as it shouldered its way into your lives, and to all the donors, large and small, thank you and congratulations. You should be enormously proud of the lasting impact your work and generosity will have on the quality of life in Peterborough and the region.
Three cheers for the new library.
Congratulations, job well done.
Cheers.
Thank you, Peterborough Town Library, volunteers, staff, and donors. Woo! Thank you.
Hey, PTL, break that ground.
Love the Drogies.
Yeah, me too.
Can't wait for that new library to open.
Yeah, will it have books?